Hey, this is Taylor from Truck World. I have here a 2014 2500 single wheel, 6-liter gas Chevrolet. Just over 160,000 miles. It's got like 163 on it. RKI service body and Liftmoore 2700AR crane. Got the top boxes. Runs and drives great. 4-wheel drive, chain vise. Real quick crane operation on it. This crane has manual extensions for both. It's electrical to hydraulic. Quick operation. Everything works on it. 2700 max lifting capacity. I'll show you the load chart here. Nice truck all the way around. If you have any questions or want to see anything else up close, call or text Taylor, 804-716-8487. Have some paint chips and scratches on the boxes. Cab of the truck's in excellent shape. Got a rip here. There's also a rip in the driver's seat. Other than that, pretty clean. No real scratches, dents, dings on the cab. Factory tow hitch, tow package, cruise control, power locks, power windows. Truck came from West Texas, nice and dry underneath, just normal dirt. But in terms of rust free. Like I said, 804-716-8487. Any questions, give me a shout. And that's it. Make sure you look through all the pictures online. I have over 50 photos of it. And if you have any questions, just give me a holler. Thanks.